So when you say, what's that mean exactly?
Oh, it's just tired. I'm just tired.
You're like that guy from the One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. Is it Mr. Martini?
I don't know.
Mr. Mancini, something? He's always tired. He's walking around going, I'm tired. I'm tired.
I'm tired all the way.
I'm tired. And he goes, sit down, Mr. Mancini, sit down. He goes, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Not seen One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest.
You've got to be joking.
No, I've not seen it.
It's bloody brilliant.
I know, I keep being told, but I've never seen it.
You know that you'll never see it because you know in your head you want to be rebellious with yourself and
I don't.
say that you've never seen it on your deathbed.
No, I don't.
As you're taking your
If
last.
it comes on the telly, I'll watch it.
No, I bet you as you're dying you'll say, I've never seen One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest.
No, I haven't.
I'm proud of it.
I know I like Jack Nicholson. I like As Good As It Gets. I think that's a brilliant film.
Do you want me to lend you the DVD?
No.
No. Well, why not?
I'll watch it when I'm ready.
What do you mean? Well, you can put the DVD in when you're ready then, can't you?
Yeah.
You're complicated, aren't you? Thought I was bad. Fucking hell.
I'll tell you what I watched the other day. They put a Christmas movie on.
Oh yeah.
The Holiday.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
With Diaz. Cameron
Jack
Diaz.
Black and Cameron Diaz.
You know, my auntie and uncle always gone on about that. In fact, my uncle says it's his favourite film. It's not that
It's a
good.
lovely film. No, it's a very simple film.
It's not even. There's nothing phenomenal.
Nothing phenomenal. No, it's nice then.
Yeah, it's not bad, but I've seen better episodes of Murder, She Wrote.
Oh God.
Exactly, it's a joke.
Sad boy.
No, I'm joking.
No, you're just fucking sad cunt.
What's no need for that?
Nothing funny about that.
I don't mind the C word, but I'm not sad. I might be miserable, but I'm not sad. Jesus. You do a neater job of getting that in with a fucking pickaxe. Is that supposed to be like a tight fit?
No.
Well, are you going to make it look not tight? A bit of coal dust around the edges?
Oh, look, you're distracting me now and slipped.
We'll see. Oh. Just blame me.
Oh, did you?
Is this Sean's by any chance?
What? No, this is, what's her name? Will.
Oh, Will.
Will the guitar.
Mr. Will.
Will, I'm in Africa again, get shot.
I doubt it's probably safer over there than it is here. Good God, I'm going to tell you now. Went out for a walk the other day. Me and Kerry drove. I said, went to Knipersley Reservoir.
All right.
If you've ever been there, it's very nice. Driving back, I thought, well, I'll have to go through, kind of go through Tunstall for a change, see what that looks like.
Yeah.
Drove through there, okay, yeah, whatever. Oh, I'll keep going through Burslem, you know. Like, okay. Past that post office where you play.
Yeah.
I thought, no, I'm going to keep going through Cowbridge. Jesus. From there through Cowbridge up to Hanley.
Yeah.
I've never seen so many people in a state. You've got like druggies,
All right.
like collapsed on the floor,
Okay.
people falling into the road,
Yeah.
ladies of the night working in the day,
All right.
yeah, on street corners.
Well, if the ladies are not working in the day, that means they're being run by pimps.
Well, I don't know, but like,
They'll make them go out, you see.
maybe things have changed since you were a pimp all those years ago. Things are different now. But anyway, even Kerry's like, good God, you know.
Huh?
Like, it was horrendous. And then went a bit further on, there's a copper behind me.
Yeah.
And then got up towards Hanley where you got a dual carriageway, and there's some guy camped in the middle reservation with a sleeping bag and everything, and a load of bags, drinking out of a wine bottle,
Yeah.
staggering about.
Yeah.
And then the police peep at him and he just kind of goes, oh, sorry. You know, they just carry on.
Yeah.
They didn't stop. I mean, I suppose must be a call out there every 5 minutes for some lunatic or somebody overdosing or a murder or something.
Yeah.
My advice to you is
Some fucking sads about though, isn't there?
Well, I mean, they've all ended up in a mess. I mean, that's not good. They don't want to be like that, do they? But like,
They end up like a mess because they take drugs.
yeah, well, I think it takes a lot. It takes a lot for somebody to end up as a drug addict. They don't start out like that. Maybe some people go, you know what, it'd be exciting. But about most people, they just can't get any help, and then they just some guy says, yeah, I'll have some of this monkey dust for what, 50 pence, and before you know it, they're jumping off buildings. Anyway, I'm going to edit that bit out because it's all about guitar neck, isn't it? So this fretboard then, it looks like finest ebony to me, Doug.
Eh?
It looks like lovely ebony.
It is.
Yeah. And you've got a bit of white, black on the edges.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then there'll be another cream, white edge binding there.
Oh, yeah.
Can't see it.
I'm going to do the Dremel now, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I normally use this. This
Yeah.
on that.
Yeah.
It fits in that stand.
Yeah.
And then the pips in that. But the trouble is, you're dragging that around.
Yeah.
And when you're doing small inlays, it can pull on you.
That's
So I've gone back to the Dremel.
Yeah.
Because I like the Dremel anyway. It's a very nice bit of kit.
Ah.
I used to have I still have. I've got the original Dremel I bought somewhere down here. I don't know where, it's probably fell off now. I had it in there, and it was the old black one, just a black one. And the bearings, I don't think there are bearings. It's just bloody awful. It just wobbles around. But you know, did at the time.
Can you actually see where you're going?
I can see where I'm going. Now I can't see where I'm going because it's full of shit.
Yeah. So you wanted to go for like Gibson squares, did he? Rectangles?
Yeah. You ever watch Miss Scarlet and the Duke?
Miss Scarlet and the Duke?
Yeah.
Is that is that an old film with, like, say, John
No,
Wayne?
it's a series.
Oh no, never heard of it.
It's a detective series set in Victorian times.
Oh no,
Uh,
I'm not seeing it now.
it's a series and it's on third series now. You only get 6 episodes a series.
Yeah.
Very good though. Kate Phillips. She's reasonably British. Kate Phillips is.
I don't know. Probably recognise her.
No, she's like the girl next door kind of look.
Yeah.
But she's very good. She's been in Downton Abbey
Oh yeah, yeah.
and stuff. Yeah, very good.
I noticed that obviously there's the screenwriters and actors are on strike in America. Aren't they?
Everybody's on strike, yeah.
So that's why the other day they got the $6 million man on again. I'm thinking, what's going on here? Then
Yeah.
it sort of clicked. It's probably because of that, isn't it? They're running out of things to show. Probably have to put old TV on.
Yeah. You'll have to put your videos on next.
Wish they would.
That'd be good, wouldn't it?
Still haven't made a penny from that. Ridiculous, really. I could get killed on the way home
Yeah.
in my car, and then next week about 10 million people a week start watching them and suddenly become like super wealthy. Shit, it's your daughter.
Oh my
Oh, I
God.
better stop filming. But I'll do a bit more of this and I'll probably leave it to your family.
Yeah.
Granddad.
Yeah.
I like the bit about Uncle Dave.
Yeah. I first did it to them when we were in IKEA. And he was only 4 or 5 then.
Would you like to tell the readers what we're talking about?
Oh,
Or not?
yeah.
Or shall I tell them? Okay, well I'll just say, I was in here and a young man came in with Doug's daughter and he said, "Hiya, Grandad." I laughed and Doug's daughter said, "My dad used to make him call him Uncle Dave."
It was a joke. I did it in IKEA to see if I could get him to do it. I say he was only about 5.
Oh yeah.
We were shopping in IKEA.
Yeah.
And obviously he was quite excited to be out in that big shop at the time.
Yeah.
And he come for it, he goes, Uncle, Grandad, and I said, shh, I'm not supposed to be that old.
Yeah.
And that was just a joke.
Yeah.
So, Uncle Dave.
Yeah. How many more have you got to do then?
2.
So what songs did you do last night then?
Oh, I just did the usual crap. I did Rotel.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I don't think you have to tell me what the usual crap is.
Yeah, Rotel.
Delilah.
Delilah. I didn't do that one. I didn't do that
Oh
one.
yeah, you'll do Delilah because of Damien and his
I did Save the Last Dance.
harmonic minor scale. Save the last dance for you. You did that?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, you never do it when I want to do it.
I do always do it when you
Yeah,
do
you
it.
always moan. If I say let's do that, you go
Well,
no.
Dave started it, so I just did it.
Oh, God.
And I did,
Ass kisses.
and I did, what else did I do? And then I did, Green Grass, Delilah. Did 4.
4, well. Sounds good.
But, there's a nice audience, receptive.
Oh yeah, there's many in.
Not packed, but it was okay.
Yeah, pleasant. Yeah.
It was pleasant, there's plenty in.
Was it hot in there? Has it got AC?
Now they had the doors open, it was nice in there. Wasn't hot, certainly wasn't hot, it was just pleasant. It was a pleasant evening. I mean, I drove there with my aircon on all the way, and that was lovely to have that facility.
Your big show off. Are you still not going down the services? Wait.
Oh, no, I went down the services. It was open. I just went to see if it was open. And it was open going down.
Did you not chance it coming back?
No, I didn't chance it coming back. I came back through Clayton.
So you've not been informed of you know what?
No.
Ah.
I'm hoping to.
I just thought Sean would have picked you up.
No, he goes later than me.
Well,
And I'm not on the way, am I?
yeah, you don't mind if he likes driving around these cars, doesn't he?
I don't think he wants to do it that much.
Well, I thought you could pick him up.
No, because he goes later than me.
Well, what's he doing?
Phone. Sorry?
Don't mind it. Well then, Doug.
I've just finished the last inlays and I'm just going to flat them all out now. Yes, just muck, because I was rushing. So I just poured muck over it to dry it quick. And
Looks like you've had the British coal board store and a bit of
I know,
slag.
I know. Yeah, whatever.
It's called slag or slack? What's it
I
called?
know it was called slag.
Slag, yeah.
No, it was called slack, wasn't it?
Slack. Slag is metal, isn't it? Like
Yeah,
welding,
yeah,
excess
no,
weld.
yeah. Yeah, it's called slack.
Bloody hell. Sometime this month we'll get through to the...
Well, yes, I overdid it. I was a bit... I'm distracted with everybody being here.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
And so, yeah.
Why are you distracted there with this lovely, relaxed nature, day?
My daughter,
No, I'm not saying anything. What are you
she's
doing?
lunatic.
I'm just saying it's a nice, relaxed atmosphere here. Yeah, she's nice enough.
She's lovely.
She's very likeable.
She's a lovely person. She's just a lunatic.
Reminds me a bit of my sister. Bit of a character. Right then, anyway, so that's from Mr. Will.
That's Mr. Will. It'll be nice in a minute. Look, I poured it everywhere. I got bloody everywhere with
Don't
it.
worry about that. You're worrying too much.
I'm not worrying at all.
I know you're not, but that's not what the viewers want to hear.
Oh, right, I'm worried now. Let's get rid of it on this.
Oh my God.
There's all that rubbing.
You're going nuclear.
This is knackered, so it doesn't matter. It's worn out, the belt is, so... I'll just get rid of the excess with it. I haven't done anything with this fingerboard yet. I haven't put it serve on it.
There's no radius.
No, there's no radius on it yet.
Is there going to be a radius on it?
Yeah, there is. It's going to be 9.5 to 16.
Well, how are you going to do that?
I'll do it by hand, I know how to do it.
Without knackering up the inlays?
I can do that without knacking up the inlay.
Are you going to do it by sanding?
No, I'm going to do it by sanding.
Like with that machine? What machine are you going to use?
Eh?
No, I mean, as opposed to like a plane.
Oh, you can't plane this.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. So, what machine are you going to use to sand that? This?
No.
Which one?
No, I'm going to use
Like a handheld
all these
thing?
under here.
Okay.
See all them?
Oh yeah.
I start with that one, with the rough one.
So you're going to use the human hand to do it?
Yeah, I always do.
Oh, right. What, the radiuses?
Yeah.
Kidding me?
No.
Surely it'd be so much easier just to use a power tool.
It would be much easier, but I like making guitars by hand.
Oh, fair enough, yeah.
So I shall glue it on there, put the frets in.
Yeah.
No, I mean curve the jobby.
Yeah.
You've got me confused now. I shall curve the jobby.
It's quite a wide neck, isn't it?
Well, yeah, because I haven't cut it down to size. But it's having another edge,
I'll go for that, yeah. That'll only be like about a mil thick there, won't it? The edge.
another 1.5 mil thicker it'll be.
Okay. So what
1 11/16 there,
Is
2 1/4 here.
Is that like a Gibson or an Indian?
That's the standard
size
thing.
Is it? Okay.
Yes, Gibson.
Is this? Have you taken the sizings from that guitar that you showed me in that book that I put my coffee in the other week?
No. I'm using standard scaling because that's what
Okay.
they all are anyway.
You know the guitars he plays already, are they like sort of Gibson scales?
I can't remember. I think I did measure one of them, and I think it's right. It's inch and 11/16.
So I always thought these
Okay.
these jazzy hollow body things, they're probably going to be like your Gibson scale length, not Fender.
No, they're not.
Shorter?
They're not Gibson. They're longer.
Are they really?
Slightly, yeah, 1/4 inch longer. It's
realise
25-inch scale.
Alright.
This is. So this is 25-inch scale, which is the same as PRS and other things. Yeah, it's just.
I thought there was one. I thought PRS is in between
is.
Fender and Gibson.
It is.
Okay.
Gibson is 24 3/4.
Yeah.
Fender is 25.5.
Okay. Yeah. Gonna have to remember. Right. Listen, I'm going to say goodbye because I want to go now.
Well, I want you to go.
My brain's been frazzled, so I don't know why. How that happened.
Well, I can imagine why.
I've been to the dentist as well to have these braces adjusted. Am I talking differently?
No.
Excellent.
You're talking like you usually do.
Yeah.
Come on, but I can't say that apparently now.
No, I take it as
It's got the wrong connotation. There you go.
I take it as a compliment.
Yeah. So yes, this hasn't been curved yet, but it will be. This may be a long process.
Yeah, I wouldn't bother starting now.
No, I'm not going to. I've got to glue it on.
Oh yeah. Good
But
point.
I've got to flatten out the back.
Yeah.
Properly.
It's just properly flat.
That's properly flat. This will be properly flat,
Yeah, jolly good.
and then the twain will meet.
When do you want it for? Yeah, the usual.
He probably wanted it about 6 months ago, but
Yeah.
he did say no rush. So
You know he's gone bankrupt, hasn't he? That's why he's gone to Uganda to try and find some money.
yes. Well, I don't blame him.
Anyway, listen. So say goodbye then, Doug.
I just said to him not to get shot.
Yeah,
Try not to get shot anyway.
She's-
Oh, and I've done a bit more on Julie. What names while we're over here? I've shaped the neck,
Very good. Yeah.
so it's shaped. It's got a very thin join there. Look,
Yeah.
I'm going for an 8-string. It's a good job Maple's strong, isn't it?
Well, soon find out.
It's fine. That
Can't
is.
see it snapping.
It won't snap.
Can't see it snapping. Right, Doug. I'm going to say goodbye.
Bye bye.
Adios.
Adios. Fuck off.